Don't know much of trigonometry. Don't know much about algebra. Don't know what it's like.
Well, Dr. Cowherd, English Landing is hashtag Park Hill Proud because we are celebrating 25 years of Soaring Eagles during the 2018-2019 school year. E-A-G!
L-E-S!
Thank you, Dr. Cowherd.
Thank you, Superman.
And Park Hill.
Plaza Middle School is hashtag Park Hill Proud because we were selected as Kansas City's kindest school by Synergy Service.
Yay.
Hawthorne is Park Hill proud because we value a strong partnership between home and school. This year we are teaching the 7 leadership habits at school and are also sharing that learning with our families through a book study of the 7 habits of highly effective families.
Congratulations.
Church services is hashtag Park Hill Proud because our patrons and staff recognize that we maintain our facilities to the very highest standard.
Congrats. Thank you.
Throughout this morning, we have celebrated the amazing work and efforts that occurs every day in our buildings and our departments. Now I'd like to share with you just a few thoughts about the changes we are facing this year. I'm going to touch on our changing student population and the impact these changes will have on us in education. I want to talk to you about the changes we are facing this year as we prepare to expand our facilities to meet our ongoing student enrollment. And this includes the necessity to redistrict our school boundaries and the potential impact this could have on our staff, our students, and our families. And finally, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of simply taking care of yourself, professionally and personally, as you move throughout these changing times. From my heart to yours, have a fantastic year. Love you, mean it. Let's have some fun. Band, can you rock us out of here today? We got it. Great time. Be safe.